back to the Filmmaker's Formula. I'm Kevin. Today I want to show you how you can replicate the transition effects from Lil Skies' music video, Real Ties. If you're new here, this channel is all about the shortcuts to creative filmmaking. Every week we'll take a look at effects and styles from music videos to movies and try to replicate them so you can add it to your arsenal of editing techniques. So remember to hit that subscribe button. The transitions we're going to cover today are not only valid in music videos. If you're filming a vlog or a gaming let's play, they're helpful to tie two separate scenes together as well. Let's just jump right into it. The first effect we're going to be looking at is the one in the stairwell. This is the transition that looks like the two scenes melted together. So let's head to After Effects. We're going to be using a effect called turbulent displacement. And it's an effect that's standard in After Effects. So here we have two clips that I shot earlier, and all I did was change the hue and saturation so it'll match the music video. So if we take a look at the two frames I have here from the music video, we can see that they're both distorted. So for us, this would mean that we're applying turbulent displacement to both of our clips. Just pull the effect to your clip. You can play around with the amount, but you can see here that we're getting that trippy look. What we want to do now is to set a keyframe near the end of the first clip and at the end of the first clip. Turn up the turbulence near the end of the clip. And we'll be doing the same to the second clip, but the opposite. We'll be starting with a lot of turbulence to no turbulence. Now to blend the two clips together, just set an opacity on the second clip from 0 to 100. And opacity is basically how transparent your footage is. And all this does is to slowly transition that first clip to that second clip. And this is what you get. Now the second transition effect I want to talk about is the zoom warp. There are many ways we can do this in Premiere and After Effects. And with an afternoon, I can show you how to do this from scratch. But you're busy and I get that. So let me show you the easiest way I know how to get this done. And it's with transition packs. There are many transition packs out there depending on what editing software you use. And a common place to get them is on videohive.net, not sponsored. And all you do is you place the transition between two clips and you can zoom and teleport to anywhere you want.
This is a pen.
Now there are a bunch of other effects scattered throughout the whole music video, and if there's a specific one you want to see, be sure to leave it in the comment section below and I'll check it out. Be sure to check out some of the other effects I've covered this week and last week. Until the next video, I'll see you later.